When to apply Scotts fertilizer to a lawn. Growing a green, lush lawn requires regular feeding and watering. Because doing either of those too frequently can damage a lawn, a schedule of fertilizing ensures proper care for the grass and provides necessary nutrients. Properly feeding the lawn keeps it strong and capable of withstanding various temperature changes and stress during the changing seasons. Scotts Fertilizer provides the necessary nutrients for a healthy, thriving lawn. Early spring. Lawn grass should be fertilized between February and April to nourish it and start strengthening its roots. Fertilizer helps to green up and thicken grass for the warmer months. Fight the growth of crabgrass with Scotts Turf Builder with Halt's Crabgrass Preventer, which has a pre-emergent additive that will nourish the lawn and fight weeds such as crabgrass. Late spring. Fertilize approximately 2 months later to allow grass to store up nutrients to fight drought and heat. Apply Scotts Turf Builder with +2 weed control between April and June, depending on when you last fertilized. Late spring is the busiest growing time, and weeds form quickly. Scotts Turf Builder with +2 weed control feeds the grass and controls weeds. Summer. Summer brings heat, drought and stress to a lawn, so fertilizing is essential to strengthen and protect it from the elements. Feed the lawn between June and August with Scotts Turf Builder with Summer Guard to nourish the lawn between active growing periods, allowing the grass to store nutrients as the weather starts to cool. Allow 2 months between feedings. Summer lawns also can be infected with insects, and Scotts Turf Builder with Summer Guard contains insect control to keep bugs from depleting nutrients or damaging grass. Fall. According to Scotts Miracle Grow Company, fall is as good for fertilizing the lawn as spring because of the cooler nights, warm days and damp mornings. Fertilizing in the fall allows the lawn to regain lost nutrients and start preparing for a cold winter. Fall fertilizing is one of the most important feedings, because it helps the lawn grow strong roots for a lush spring awakening. Fertilize between September and November to offer the most benefit to the lawn. Scotts Turf Builder Winter Guard Fall Lawn Fertilizer offers strength and protection for the lawn and helps to ensure lush spring growth.